Ever wondered if that set it and forget it investment app you've been hearing about is actually selling you a single, diversified fund? You know, the one that pools money from many investors to buy a basket of assets? I'm talking about Raiz. Is Raiz an ETF? It's a question many new investors, and even some seasoned ones, ponder when looking into micro-investing platforms. The answer isn't a simple yes or no, but rather a fascinating look into how these platforms operate and what they offer. To truly understand if Raiz is an ETF, we first need to clarify what an ETF actually is. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a mutual fund, but with a key difference: it trades on stock exchanges just like individual stocks. You can buy and sell shares of an ETF throughout the day at market prices. They offer diversification because they hold a collection of underlying assets, stocks, bonds, commodities, or a mix of these, all wrapped up in a single, easily tradable package. This makes them popular for investors seeking broad market exposure, often with lower fees than traditional mutual funds. Now, let's turn our attention to Raiz. Raiz, for those unfamiliar, is a micro-investing platform that allows users to invest small amounts of money, often by rounding up spare change from everyday transactions. It's designed to make investing accessible and straightforward, especially for those new to the market. When you invest with Raiz, you're not directly buying individual stocks or even individual ETFs. Instead, you're investing in a portfolio of underlying ETFs that Raiz has curated for you. Here's where the distinction becomes clear. Raiz uses ETFs as the building blocks for its investment portfolios, but Raiz itself is not an ETF. Think of Raiz as a platform that provides access to a selection of diversified portfolios, and each of those portfolios is composed of various ETFs. When you choose an investment portfolio on Raiz, whether it's their conservative, moderately conservative, aggressive, or other options, you are essentially selecting a preset allocation of different ETFs. Raiz then manages the rebalancing and investing of your funds into these chosen ETFs according to your selected risk profile. So, while you might feel like you're buying Raiz as a single entity, what you're actually doing is investing through Raiz into a collection of underlying ETFs. Raiz acts as an intermediary, simplifying the investment process by selecting and managing these ETFs on your behalf. This approach offers several benefits: professional portfolio management without the high fees, automatic diversification across various asset classes, and the convenience of investing small, regular amounts. It's a hands-off approach that appeals to many who want to grow their wealth without becoming expert stock pickers. In essence, Raiz is an investment platform that leverages the power of ETFs to create diversified portfolios for its users. It's a wrapper, if you will, around a basket of ETFs, designed to make investing simple and accessible. So, the next time someone asks if Raiz is an ETF, you can confidently explain that while it utilizes ETFs extensively, Raiz itself is a platform that invests into them, rather than being an ETF itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.